another video, and today I got a little something for y'all. Alright, let's start off with the Cantu stuff. Alright, so if you haven't watched my reviews on Cantu already, then what are you doing? Okay, sis? Click off of here and go watch my videos because I have reviews for days on Cantu. So just go watch that. But anyway, let's introduce the Cantu. Now, I brought this gel for a wash and go, and I still have not used it yet. It smells so good. Like they need to keep on making their products smell like grapeseed oil, because it smells like grapeseed bubble gum. Grape bubble gum, that's what it smells like. I haven't used it yet, so I can't tell y'all how it works, but I can't wait to use this and try this and do a video on it. But this is one of the products that I do have. And to go along with that, I do have the grapeseed strengthening treatment mask from Cantu. And again, I have a video using this, and I actually have 2 videos using this. So if you want to know my thoughts on it, other than what I'm saying now, it smells so good, y'all. It's another mask. Since we're on mask, I brought the Dove Amplified Moisture Spa Recovery Mask for coils and curls, and it looks like this. And you already know what attracted me to this product. It was the purple design. Y'all know my favorite color is purple. So far, I do have a video on this. I have not used a lot. And this is the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Curl Activator. I really like this product. It is a very good product, and it's good for your pockets. It's a good price for something to curl your hair. Like, I'm going to use this on a twist out next time, and I'm going to see how it comes out. It smells good. It don't have a strong smell. Most people would think the grape seeds smell is strong, but I don't. I just think it smells very flavorful. But this is really good. I only used this once, so I still have a good amount left, so it was definitely worth the price. I do have the avocado hydrating conditioner, and I have the shampoo to go. Now, I have a lot of the shampoo because I've used this 3 times, but this is how much I have left. Honestly, for how much I paid for it, which was gotta be no more than $6, I feel like that's worth it. The slip is good when your hair is drenched. Now, when you have damp hair, the slip is not that good, okay? Again, go watch my video on those 2 products. And also, I have the hydrating gel. Now, this is a good gel, but again, it flakes like a mug. So you can't you can't use too much of this without it flaking. Next product, I know I'm going a little bit fast, but this is just a drugstore haul, so y'all don't need to know too much about it because I already got my reviews for most of these products in my other videos. It's gonna be this Curls the Ultimate Styling Collection, and yes, this is a good freaking product for a wash and go, and I cannot wait to use it. I only used it for a set, but for a wash and go, this is gonna be bomb. I already know it's gonna be bomb. The next product is going to be the Emerge for Naturals. I don't know if y'all heard this line, but the only place I've seen it is at Target. So they have the conditioner, the leave-in, the detangling shampoo, I think they got a custard maybe. Like, they just went all out. Whoever dropped this line, they went all out, because this was the first time I ever seen it. And it's basically like saying back to life hair mask. It's talking a lot of mess. It's talking a lot of mess. Frizz-free curl definition for moisture-rich curl definition. So, yeah, no parabens, no silicones, no sulfates. So it says it's good, and this is 15 ounces. Ooh, very a different different smell, but I have to do a review on this product. I don't have a review on this product, but it's coming up. The most you're gonna pay is $7 for each product. It's really affordable, y'all. Like, you know, I love affordable hair care products, so I will definitely invest in those. But anyway, let's move on back to Dove, okay? Dove Amplified Textures Moisture Lock Leave-In Conditioner for coils, curls, and waves. It looks like this. Y'all saw me mention the mask earlier, but I haven't used this because I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna use it for. Since I need some water, I don't know if y'all heard my my throat a little parched. Get 11 ounces. I feel like I paid maybe $8 for it. Almond milk damage repair mask, ultra nourishing hair mask by Carol's Daughter. Y'all, when I first started using Carol's Daughter products, I did not like it, but now her products are bomb. Like, I can't wait to do a review on this for y'all because it's such a bomb moisturizing product. Y'all are gonna love this. And I also got this for $3. It's not a new product, but I got it for $3 at Walmart. So it is a steal because I'm not saying Carol's Daughter is expensive, but you know, it may be expensive to most people. Next two products, and y'all know I love a Vino line. I did pick this up, y'all, and I know y'all excited for me to use this and to do a video on this because I didn't review every Aveeno, I believe. So this is the, I'm gonna say probiotic blend. Now they say this is for your scalp. Now I don't know if this Kafi. Do y'all know what that word is right there? I don't know, but I'm gonna review it, and when I review it, I'm gonna know the name of it. So I did get the shampoo and the conditioner. It's gonna be a oldie but goodie, but I haven't used before. And this is the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils wrap me foam and mousse, and this is how it looks. I do plan to use this for one of my perm rod sets, so that's why I got it originally for. My next one is going to be the new Cantu Flaxseed Soothing Cream. I've used this once already, but I didn't use it on clean hair, so I don't think it came out how it was supposed to be. But I am going to do a review on it because I really didn't use it. I just put it in there, put it on my ends, and went about my day. It's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will keep on doing these type of videos because I've never done them before, and they're very exciting to show how much I spent my money on, you know? And again, these are all very affordable products. I got them all from Walmart and Target. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Guru gang.